Now let's get back to the general complexity classes. So we have already drawn this picture here, the hierarchy of P versus NP versus X time versus next time. But of course there are other complexity classes that we have gotten to know in this course. So there's the class of fixed parameter tractable problems. Then we looked at problems for which there are or are not approximation algorithms. So we had problems for which there was a p-TAS. We had some problems for which there was a constant factor approximation. And we also mentioned that there are problems such as clique and independent set, for which there's no constant factor approximation unless p equals np. And then finally we looked at randomized algorithms, where we said there were Monte Carlo algorithms. Those were the problems that were guaranteed to run in polynomial time, but only with a certain probability give us a correct solution. And then we also mentioned Las Vegas algorithms, which are algorithms that guarantee us a correct solution, but the running time is only polynomial with a certain given probability. Of course, we can also start building hierarchies here. So we can do a hierarchy for approximation, and we can do a hierarchy for randomized algorithms. And guess what? This is going to be our next quiz. So as in the quiz before, when we talked about P, NP, X time, and next time, I'm again giving numbers to these complexity classes here. And again, I would like you to enter the numbers here so that we form a nice hierarchy.